What if I told you that your skin's condition at the end of the day is decided within the first few minutes after you wake up? Most people spend money on expensive serums, face washes, and skincare products, but they still struggle with pimples, oily skin, dark spots, and uneven skin tone. The reason? They're making one simple mistake in their morning routine. Today, I'll show you a simple morning skincare routine that can help keep your skin cleaner, healthier, and more protected throughout the day. The good news is that you don't need 10 different products. In fact, a simple 3 step routine is often more effective than a complicated routine that you can't follow consistently. Let's start with the first step. Use a gentle face wash. While you sleep, your skin produces oil and collects sweat, bacteria, and dead skin cells. Washing your face in the morning removes these impurities and creates a clean foundation for the rest of your skincare routine. But here's a mistake many people make. They use harsh cleansers that leave their skin feeling extremely tight. If your face feels stretched or dry after washing, your cleanser may be too aggressive. Choose a gentle cleanser suitable for your skin type and wash your face using lukewarm water. After cleansing, it's time to moisturize. Many people with oily or acne-prone skin think they don't need moisturizer. That's actually a myth. When your skin lacks moisture, it can produce even more oil to compensate. A lightweight moisturizer helps maintain your skin barrier, keeps the skin hydrated, and improves overall skin texture. Look for a moisturizer that feels light, absorbs quickly, and doesn't leave your skin greasy. Now we come to the most important step in the entire routine: sunscreen. If you remember only one thing from this video, remember this. Sun exposure can contribute to premature aging, uneven skin tone, tanning, and the appearance of dark spots. Even if you're indoors, UV rays can still reach your skin through windows. That's why sunscreen should be applied every morning as the final step. Choose a broad spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher. Apply it generously to your face, neck, and any exposed skin. Many people spend months trying to remove dark spots while skipping the very product that helps prevent them from getting worse. A simple routine done consistently is often better than an expensive routine done occasionally. And remember, if you're skipping sunscreen, you're leaving your skin unprotected every single day. Start following these 3 simple steps, and your future skin will thank you. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more science based skincare tips and tell me in the comments what's the one skincare step you never skip.